Hey guys, so we just got these really awesome farmhouse lights. They're pendant style. These would be great if you're wanting to put them over a kitchen bar area or an island, or even separate them in different locations in your home, which is what I'm going to be doing. And so I'm going to take them out of the box. It comes in a set of 3. I'll just show you one and how it installs together. So we've got the lampshade here. We've got the base plate up to the ceiling. And then we've got the cord with the light bulb attachment as well. And so this is really simple. I'll set that off to the side. You unscrew this, put it right in here. Screw that back together. Now this is tight, so it looks like that. Take this cord, which is extra long just in case you have cathedral ceilings. Take this black nut here, push the wires through. And then spread these out a little bit so you can push the wires back through here. And then once they're through there, you're ready to bring this nut back up, tighten it down, and you can test and see how long you want this. If you would like it shorter, like I like it, then you will find a place in here, cut it to your desired height, and then mount it to the ceiling. And so I'm going to be doing that to 3 lights in 3 different locations in my kitchen and dining room area. And so I'll take you along that journey to show you how the installation goes. Alright, so the light is all up. All 3 lights look fantastic. I have this one here in my dining room, and it's just a nice farmhouse sleek design, that matte black finish that would really go well in most interiors. And so if you're looking for a great set of black farmhouse pendant lights, these are some really fantastic ones. They were easy to install, and there wasn't much to the assembly process, which to me is a huge plus. And so I would highly suggest checking into these farmhouse pendant lights.